Sasa tukuina sonutuna.
The Chief Executive Officer, Fiji Development Bank, Mr. Mark Clow, Turangani Abusa Saunidona, Commissioner Western, Commissioner Northern, Turangani Matangali, Koroi Bungani, Turangana Rokotui Mawata, Turangana Wawuli, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Nisa Mbola Vinaga, and a good morning to you all. I'm deeply honored to once again join FDB together with the community of Dongoru to continue our tree planting partnership initiative. Let me start by acknowledging the warm welcome accorded by the Abusa Saunidona. Thank you for your generosity and in particular for giving the piece of land for the tree planting initiative. Once again, my sincere gratitude to the Vanua, the Abusa Saunidona, Pinawalebu, Navitokoni. I would also like to acknowledge the Turangane Wawumuli for his presence and for blessing this auspicious occasion. I also sincerely acknowledge the FDB for supporting Fiji's National Tree Planting Initiative. Together with the Tauke Affairs Board, we launched our first tree planting partnership in the Central Division in Silano Village, Telegu, in February this year. This was immediately after the Excellency, the President, launched Fiji's 4 million trees in 4 years initiative in January. On Saturday last week, we were in Watutu Village to launch the initiative for the Western Division. Today, we are blessed to continue this partnership here at Dongoru Village for the Northern Division. Thank you, FDB. We hope to replicate our partnership approach with many other organizations and communities, which will undoubtedly enable Fiji to achieve our goal of planting 4 million trees in 4 years. And this is just the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is now on a renewed national drive to plant more trees to address several critically important issues, which include but are not limited to the following: to protect our natural environment and rich biodiversity, to meet national goals and deliver our international obligations. This includes our commitment to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We intend to work with our national and international development partners, civil society, the private sector, and every Fijian to develop greener towns and cities, and to maintain and protect our forests and pristine natural environment. Government, through the Ministry for Forestry, is currently working on our emission reduction program to enable Fiji to apply to the carbon funds and even trade carbon. The millions of trees we will plant will reduce soil erosion and siltation, and they will certainly offset some of our carbon output and to mitigate against climate change. Almost 30% of our total landmass is degraded landscape. These landscapes are without trees due to deforestation for various reasons. Some of these landscapes are predominantly covered with grass and are more prone to burning. This is common in the drier parts of the islands. Replanting of trees in these areas will provide significant benefits, both environmentally and economically. I wish to encourage women to plant ornamental and fruit trees as a source of livelihood, like the women of Waidimakutu in Omosi, who are using this resource for Pure Fiji's world-renowned products as a wrapper and bags. Youths are also encouraged to plant trees other than those used for timber, like Yasi, as your investment to the future. Women and youth can even start their business in building or expanding their own nurseries and selling the seedlings. We also encourage parents and our school to teach children the importance of trees. Planting trees on riverbanks will reduce impacts of flooding. Planting of trees on slopes will prevent erosion. Planting of trees beside our home and villages act as a windbreaker and natural air conditioner. Since the launching of the 4 million trees in 4 years initiative earlier this year, the ministry has managed to plant almost 154,000 seedlings within 352 hectares. This includes close to 84,000 seedlings in the Northern Division, 34,000 in the Central Eastern Division, and 36,000 in the Western Division. The ministry has also made a head start on planting not less than 500,000 mangroves to protect our coastal areas, including its biodiversity, and for a cleaner ocean. This is to also mitigate the impact of rising sea level, which is causing the relocation of villages in coastal areas around Fiji. Government is working towards strengthening the public-private partnership, especially with organizations such as FDB, civil society, regional and international organizations, and land-owning units to contribute towards Fiji's social and economic empowerment through forestry. Ladies and gentlemen, the trees that we plant today will help build a robust and thriving forestry sector through both plantations and agroforestry farms. But this means that we have to strike a balance between generating economic activity on the one hand and expanding the resources and protecting our natural environment and ecosystems on the other hand. The balance that we strike will ensure that our forests are able to provide for our nation now and well into the future. This is a responsibility that we must enhance, and I wish to once again stress that protecting our natural forest will enable us to protect rich biodiversity, including our water sources. This is extremely vital and could never be compromised. You will be aware that Fiji continues to play a leading role in the world in addressing climate change and building climate-resilient communities. As a nation, we all have a collective responsibility to explore avenues to address climate change, because climate change will affect all of us. It has no boundaries. Ladies and gentlemen, in essence, I would like to appeal and to encourage Fiji's forest sector to work closely with government through the Ministry of Forestry in addressing the key issues that affect our society, from sustainable forest management to economic growth and climate change. I also appeal to all Fijians to contribute to our national tree planting initiative. Let us empower everyone in our communities, including our youth, women, and children in both rural and urban areas. In doing so, we will be laying a foundation of success for our future generations. I once again, on behalf of government, convey our sincere appreciation to the FDB and the Vanua Sauniduna. This initiative is ours, and together we can grow our future and that of our children. It now gives me much pleasure to officially launch this tree planting partnership with FDB to the Northern Division. And thank you.
Okay. Na cara.
No plan. No plan. That's finished. There's no plan finished.
Look there. Hey, aí.
Lima. 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 Lima.